Actually, binigay niya to nung high school kami, bago siya pumunta ng Italy. So, nag-effort siyang gumawa nito para maiiwan daw siya sa akin.
First of all, thank you for making my life easy, full of love, and for loving me just the way I am. The first time I saw you, the feeling was different. To the point that I know that it's gonna be you.
The stars in the sky have led me to find what I've been searching for. It's right in front of me, beyond my wildest dreams. Open eyes, open heart, another light, another star, right in front of me. It's right in front of me.
Bakit ko siya pinakasalan? Dahil siya yun. Dahil siya yung naging siya nung wala ako. Nung hindi ko kilala ang sarili ko. Nandyan siya nung kailangan ko ng makakasama. Nandyan siya at hindi niya ako iniwan sa kahit anong pagkakataon.
The plans we make and chances we take, I feel everything more with you. Quiet confidence and trusting every step, and we know that our faith will get us through. It's so obvious, forever calling us, and this time we won't.
Hi, Bebe. How are you? Hope you are happy and relaxed. Here's the watch that you will wear. Oy! Watch! Seryoso. I love you. See you. Sorry, di na ako nakabili ng magandang pagsusulatan. Wow. Sponsored by Solano.
Our story starts here. Our story starts here. Before our eyes, now we find it all becomes so clear. Our story starts here.
Pinagtagpo at pinagbalik. Naghiwalay kami kasi dati dahil may maturity, merong hindi pagkakaunawaan. Ako, sa part ko, may nagawa ko sa kanya. So, siguro binalik kami ng tadhana dahil alam niya na kami yung para sa isa't isa. At alam niya na kami yung hanggang sa dulo. Kaya sobrang saya ko. Sobrang tagal ko hinintay ito. Tagal ko hinintay na, ayan, ikakasal na kami.
Our story starts here. Our story starts here. Before our eyes, now we find it all becomes so clear. Our story starts here. Our story ends, our story ends, our story ends, our story, our
Lagi niyang tinatanong sa akin nung nag-propose ako. Parang halos every day, every week, or anytime, tatanungin niya, bakit ka nag-propose? It was because of you. It was because I knew it was you. Alam ko na dumating tayo sa point na sobrang lugmok ako. Walang trabaho, walang ambag, umaasa sa'yo at sa mga ate ko. Pero wala akong narinig sa'yo. Pero nakita kitang pagod ka na. Nakita kong hirap ka na, tipong gusto mo na umayaw. Na parang gusto mo na sumuko. Nakita kita, umiiyak, pero hindi ako nakialam. Dahil alam kong ako yung dahilan.
Was running through the dark till I found you. It feels like the first time that I'm breathing, feeling lighter than the wind. Now my world is spinning around you.
I'm so grateful that we finally made it. After how many years of happiness and struggles in life, you are always there for me and for us.
Waking up the night, you're the light in my darkest of days.
Christian Benedict Andal Perez, mahal na mahal po kita. From Napa Perez, Jane Tracy. I love you.
I love you.
Waited all my life for this moment, overcome with all the emotions. Now that you're standing here with me, feels like the first time I can see everything is coming in focus. Like the stars fall from the sky, like the sun waking up the night. You're the light in my darkest of days. You're the one pulling my heart awake. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you.
Sinamahan mo akong makayanan ng pagsubok ng buhay. Pandemic, pag-aalaga sa lola. Pagturin sa pamilya ko na sa'yo. Paggabay sa bawat desisyon ko sa buhay, sa mga di inaasahang bagay.
Thank you for choosing me. Thank you for loving me. And thank you for spending your life with me.
The time has come, it's all begun, now and forever. With open eyes, your hand in mine, now and forever. Like the stars fall.
Salamat sa pagpili mo sa akin sa araw-araw. Mahal, pinapangako ko sa'yo, hindi kita iiwan. Hindi kita pababayaan. Hindi kita sasaktan. Hindi kita tatalikuran. Mananatili ako sa tabi mo sa hirap at ginawa. Mananatili ako sa tabi mo sa araw-araw. Sasamahan kita sa kalakasan at sasamahan kita sa kahinaan. Pipiliin kita sa araw-araw. I love you.
Okay ka lang?
So,
Sagot na yung tanong ko.
Okay na.